Hello friends. Today we will discuss about documents required for admission to Canadian colleges and universities. For a successful and easier processing of applications, it is very important to submit all the required documents and in the right format. We will guide you how. For undergraduate college application, the documents you need are passport, academic documents, 10th and 12th mark sheet and passing certificate, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE score report, school living certificate, extracurricular activity certificates if any, work experience certificates if any. For undergraduate university application, the documents you need are passport, academic documents, 10th and 12th mark sheets and passing certificate, IELTS, TOEFL or PTE score report, letter of recommendation, transcripts, SOP, extracurricular activity certificates if any, work experience certificates if any, school living certificate. You can take pictures of this checklist. For postgraduate college application, the documents you need are passport, academic documents, 10th and 12th mark sheet and passing certificate, graduate mark sheets and degree certificate or provisional degree certificate, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE score report, backlog certificate from college, your updated CV, work experience certificates, extracurricular activity certificates if any. For postgraduate university application, the documents you need are passport, academic documents, 10th and 12th mark sheet and passing certificate, graduate mark sheets and degree certificate or provisional degree certificate, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE score report, backlog certificate from college, letter of recommendations, transcript, statement of purpose, CV, work experience certificates, extracurricular activity certificates if any. You can take pictures of this checklist. Now we will guide you about format of each document. Passport. Passport should be valid for minimum 1 year from the time you apply for visa. Letter of recommendation. For undergraduate applicants, you need 2 to 3 letter of recommendations from your school teachers. You can take it from your subject teacher or principal. Letter of recommendation for postgraduate applicants. You need 2 to 3 letter of recommendations from your college professor or head of the department or dean of the university. Make sure the letter of recommendation is printed on the letterhead of the institution and has name, email ID, contact number, designation, signature and stamp of the signing authorities or teacher or head of the department. Transcripts. Transcript should also include stamp, signature of the issuing authority. It is good if you get your transcript from your university. Statement of purpose. The only way to communicate with the admissions department of the university is via an SOP. You can describe about your goals, achievements and purpose of studies in the statement of purpose. It is very important to justify if you have any gaps in between your education. Work experience documents mentioning your designation and your job duties. You can add any extracurricular activity certificate or any other achievement with the application, resume, or your updated CV. A detailed CV should be drafted by the applicant. Your CV should contain all your academic achievements with your grades or marks, project work, internship details, and work experience with job duties. We recommend you not to copy any CV from the internet. We have mentioned the link of samples in the description box. Follow the link for more information. Don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bell button below. For more details, you can visit our website www.espiconsultants.com. Thanks for watching our video.